Hi, fantastic fourth graders. Okay, we're back with Eureka Math, Module 1, Lesson 5 with Mrs. Fiska. Okay, our learning target for today is I can compare multi-digit numbers by using the following symbols: greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay, we're going to start out with comparing these two numbers using our place value chart. So I'll put 510,347 in the top section, and in the bottom section I'll put 520,347. And then we'll compare to see which side is larger or greater in value. Okay, so in the top part of my place value chart, I put 500,000, 10,000, no thousands, 0 in the thousands place, 3 hundreds, and 4 tens, and 7 ones. Okay, and in the bottom section, I put 500,000, 2 10,000s, 0 thousands, 3 hundreds, 4 tens, 7 ones. So when I am comparing, I'm going to start with my greater value. I'm going to start, I have no millions, so I'm going to start with 100,000s. So looking at my 100,000s, I have 5 in this section and 5 in this section, so they're equal. Now I'm going to go over to my 10,000s. I have one 10,000 here, but I have two 10,000s here. So I automatically know at this point that my second number is greater. So in my blank, I'm going to put this. And I would read this: 510,347 is less than 520,347. Okay, another way to do this would, instead of drawing disk, we could actually just put the numbers in. So on my top number, I could put, I have 5, 1, 0, 3, 4, 7. And then my bottom number, I could say I have 500,000, 2 10,000s, 0 thousands, 3, 4, and 7. And then I could look and say, okay, these are the same. And then here, I have an extra 10,000, so I know that number is greater. Okay, so we can do it either way. We can use disk, or we could actually use numbers. So let's compare the following two numbers by using the place value chart above. I'm doing this problem, but it's also in your homework pages for tonight. On page 25, number 1A, you will see this exact problem. So let's put the first number, 909,013. Let's put that in our top section, and we can just use numbers, or if you'd rather use place value disk, I'm going to use numbers. So we have 900,000s, we have 0 10,000s, 9,000s, 0 hundreds, 1 10, and 3 ones. Okay, I'm going to compare it to the next number. So I have to look at my number carefully. I might even start with my ones, and I say, oh, I have 3 ones. That's the same as the previous number. I have 110. I have 0 hundreds. I have 0 thousands, and I have 9 10,000s. Okay, so I'm kind of comparing these numbers. Remember, I start with my greatest value, and I already see that I have more 100,000, so I know that number is going to be larger, greater. So I'm going to put in my greater than sign. Remember, the sign is just open to the larger, or the number with the greater value. So 909,000 is greater than 90,000. Even when I say it, I can hear it. 909,000 is greater than 90,000. Okay, thanks. Okay, sometimes we're going to need to compare numbers using the different types of number forms. So let's think about the different types of number forms. Remember, the different number forms are unit form. Unit form is where we have the number and then the unit. Word form is how we say that word. And expanded form is where we just take each place value and expand it out. And the last one is standard form, which is just the actual number. So let's practice one. The first one is written in, that's right, expanded form. The second number is written in, that's right, standard form. So let's compare these two. So the first number, 700,000, 30,000 plus 20,000 plus 8. I'm just going to put that in my top place value chart. Now here you'll have to go carefully because I started with my ones. I have 8 ones, I have 2 tens, but look at my expanded form. I have no hundreds, I have 0 thousands, I have 3 10,000s, and I have 7 100,000s. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my next number and then we'll compare the two. Okay, remember when we are comparing, we start with the number with the greatest value. So I have no millions. If I look at my 100,000, they are equal. I have 700 and 700,000. I go to my 10,000s, I have a 3 and a 3. They are equal. But then when I get to my thousands place on the place value chart, I have a 0 in my first number and a 5 in my second number. So I know that my second number has a greater value. So I'm going to make my alligator go to the greater number, which is 735,008. Okay, let's talk about the different forms and let's try another one. And you will find this one on your homework pages tonight, page 26, number 2C. So this way it will help you. Okay, we're looking at the first form. We have 300,000, 3,000s, 800s, 4 tens. This would be called, that's right, it's called the unit form. And then the second number is 303,840. That would be called, right, standard form. So we're going to put the first number that's in unit form in our top place value chart, and we're going to put our second number that's in standard form in our second place value chart, and then we're going to compare the two to see which one has the greater value. Okay, I wrote in the values. You have to go very carefully because we have a few with 0 value. So on my first number, I had 300,000s, but I had no 10,000s. The same with the second number. And if I'm looking at this chart, I see these are equal. Remember my greater value? I start with my greater value. These are equal. These are equal. These are equal. So my number is equal. They both have the same value. Okay, today for homework, please complete page 25 and 26 in your Succeed homework book and bring it to class tomorrow. Good job getting all your homework done yesterday. Really proud of you. Keep up the good work. Bye.